Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit the like button, tap the bell button, subscribe to my channel, and if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I do all sorts of unboxings. And today I have another, if I can find it, another Fashom box. I just unboxed one probably a couple weeks ago, but it didn't work for me. So I got a new one. So let's see what's in here. It is a monthly subscription, but I think you have to request it. So you can request it monthly or whenever you want it. I want to say it's $15 styling fee, but again, I'll leave the price, the link, and all the information below. So you open it up and you get a Hello Beautiful, and it has got the prices and everything that's in the box. Free shipping both ways, so it has the return tag, and it comes nicely wrapped. And I can't remember, you can view your boxes. So if there's something you don't like, you can take it out and then they'll replace it with something else. So last time I got the box, I got a pair of jeans, but they were just a tad too big. So I asked if they can replace those jeans with the size 6, and it looks like they did. So hopefully I'm still a size 6. They're just really nice boot cut jeans. They're high waist, skinny boot cut. So I don't remember what the pricing was, but I remember they were a pretty good price. So that's the first thing. Oh my God, the next thing in the box, oh, how cute is this? It's by So Cool, made in the USA. How perfect is this for Mexico? Wow, I'm really impressed. I don't even remember seeing this, but I'm hoping it fits. Perfect with white shorts or white pants. The next thing looks like a fun top. What a great box. It's by Crescent in a size large, like a peasant-y kind of top, but it's got the chambray. Look at the sleeves. Wow. Another great piece. Can't wait to try this stuff on. And two more things. And this is like a blue, I don't know what to call it. It's by Meadow Shop. And it's got, I always have to figure out which is the front, which is the back, and I'm not sure. It looks a little large. If this is the front, or if this is the front, but it's super cute, but this kind of looks very big. And the last thing in the box, oh my God, another great color. And this is by Naked Zebra. Didn't mean to use the naked word, but look at the color. And it's got these cute, you can see them, cute sleeves. Wow. I am loving every single piece in this box. So I think trouble's a brewing. So I am just, before I go try all these things on, I'm gonna see how much it costs before I get myself all excited. But let me know what you think of this box. I know a lot of ladies get Fashom. It takes probably a couple boxes before your stylist feels comfortable in sending you clothes, which is what happened to me. But like, this box rocks. So the back flap pocket skinny jeans, $38. I got my Stitch Fix box. I didn't unbox it because I had taken it to California and I didn't have time to do the unboxing. I loved everything in the box, okay? Except the tops were $38, they were $44, there was a pair of Toms, it was a cute little bag, and they sent me a pair of jeans that were $159. Why would you send me this whole reasonable box and then throw in a pair of jeans for $159? So I was kind of upset about that. I did write the stylist saying, you know, what's up? So a pair of $38 jeans is great. This cute little color top. Oh my God, I am just loving this top. It's $34. The mitten shot bamboo cutout back crew neck. So that, oh my God, that thing does go in the back. I thought I was going crazy. So the little cutout does go in the back. That looked kind of big. That was $35. I'm gonna use the naked word again. The naked zebra tulip blouse is $37. And the paper Moon Carmen ombre striped shirt in a large and rust is $38. What great prices. And what's nice about Fashom, again, I will leave the link below, you'll get a discount, is you only have to buy 3 for the 25% discount. So already I'm there. If I bought everything, it would be $182. Then I get the discount. So they would take $45.30 off. So this whole box would be $136.50. You can't beat that. As I said, I bought 2 shirts from my Stitch Fix box. It was $90. So this definitely sounds like a keeper. I'm hoping everything fits. And I will be right back with the try-on. Thanks, guys. Okay, I am back with the try-on. I have on the naked zebra Ellen tulip blouse in the large in terracotta. That's $37, and I'm also wearing the back flat pocket skinny boot cut jeans in the size 6 that are $38. I also paired it with this Michael Kors handbag. I picked up a few things on Nordstrom on their sales site. It's a crossbody bag. Isn't it cute? So I paired it with that, and then I also bought some boots from Nordstrom. I want to say they were like $30-something. So I kind of paired it all together. So this is the purse, and this is the tulip. You can see it. And I'll try to lower it so that you can see the jeans. Sorry, put my ugly hand in there. These are the jeans. I think they fit pretty good in the smaller size. And then I have them with these boots. I didn't zip them up yet because I'm pretty sure I'm wearing the wrong socks with them. But they're a really cute boot that I would probably wear with them when we go out on the bike. So let me know what you think of this. Again, it's an affordable top and pants, and I really like it. So please comment below. Let me know what you thought of my cute little crossbody. And I will be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I am back with the next outfit, and I paired it when I got my Nordstroms. I think I got like such a great deal. I picked up this Michael Kors crossbody. Haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it, but I thought this was so cute. I could use it on the bike, or I can actually use it when I go out. And I can't remember how much it was. I want to say 50. I'll leave all the prices of the Nordstrom haul that I got. They had some really cute things, and I'm loving the boots. And I'm wearing this with the Paper Moon Carmen ombré striped shirt, size large in a rust. It's $38, but I kind of get a Johnny Depp vibe of a pirate with this little thing up here. So let me know what you think. Let me lower this. So it's nice, this part, but I am really not a person that likes to wear the really big baggy things. So let me know what you think of my Johnny Depp top, sorry, and I'll be right back with the next try on. Okay, I'm back with the next top. This is the one that I thought would be too big, and it kind of is. It's almost like a maternity top for me. It is the Mito Shop Bamboo Cutout Back Crew Neck Top, size large in teal, and it's $35. I like the color, but it's really kind of big. I don't know if you can see the back. It's a cute little back, but it's definitely too big, maybe with some leggings, but I'm not a huge legging wearer. Let me know what you thought of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, this was like my favorite top. I don't own anything like it. I just love the colors. I think it would be great with like white pants or white shorts or a white skirt. You know, for when I go to Mexico. I would still probably wear it here, but I am just loving this top. Dennis kind of gave me a weird look when I first had it on because it was so bright. But when I told him I was going to bring it when we went to Mexico, he changed his mind. So let me know what you think of this top. I was thinking the jeans, this top, and maybe that pink top. Again, because with Fashom, if you buy 3 pieces, you do get 25% off. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I said I wasn't going to film outside anymore, but it's just so nice out. And this is really the only table I have to get it like set up. So I tried to do most of the filming inside since I have a neighbor that since 7:30 this morning has been working on some project and has woke me up. So I am just going to recap. I just wanted to show you the boots I got from Nordstrom, and again, I will link the price below because I don't have it right in front of me, but I just thought they were really cute boots. And I left the price sheet in the house, so hold on one second. So I absolutely loved this Fashom box. The black flat pants for $38 are definite keepers. The Renee sleeveless, that bright tie-dye, definitely a keeper, and that was $34. And then for the third item, I'm going to keep the naked zebra Ellen top, that was $37. So this would be, I don't know, about $110, $115. Then I get 25% off of that. So that makes it nice. I did not like the Johnny Depp top or that big teal top. So thank you so much for watching and putting up with my son here. And I will leave the link for everything below that I got at Nordstrom's. So you guys have an awesome day.